Greetings, everybody. We are here at an exclusive. My name is Angie. I am a loctician, owner of an exclusive and naturally napped hair and skin organic product. Right here, I am doing a final touch up on my client hair. I'm doing a couple of little adding hairpins in where needed to be, making sure the hair is secured. So what she has right here in this video is the Loc Bow, and she has rope twists in the back, and she has two rope twists in the bangs. As you can see when I turn her around, you see the look on her face. But anyway, that is the style from the front. Um, I just wanted to turn it around and show you guys real quickly what her hair looked like. Um, Next, I'm going to use edge control. I use Shine and Jam, lock, edge control gel actually, but we use it as edge control, and it's the one with honey in it. I've been using it for years, and I know a lot of people be like, hey, edge control will break off my hair. Well, let me tell you a secret about that. What you do is you make sure every day if you're going to apply it, wash off the old gel, edge control, and reapply it. Never ever apply over and over and over. That is actually drying out your hair and causing breakage and people to lose their edges. So that is the secret. So now I'm getting ready to just smooth out her edges. Got my brush. She really didn't need much edges. Everything was palm rolled into the lock, but she does like her baby hairs out a little bit, so I don't make it too dramatic, but I put a little bit on. Then afterwards, I apply the hair and scalp quencher from Naturally Napped Hair and Skin product. So I just made sure I go over and over, and I kind of did a little oopsie here while I was spraying her hair with the oil. I kind of like missed her hair, went over her hair, and it landed on her iPad. So I was just giving her a towel to wipe it down, but then it didn't go accordingly with a wet towel. But anyway, but as you can see, I gave her another towel to dry it off correctly. And when I apply the oil, I always make sure the hair is semi-wet. After I palm roll it, it's going to be damp. So I kind of like massage it into the hair. Then before I put her under the dryer, I put some hair strips on to make sure her edges are still smooth. Because putting someone under the dryer after you have done the edges will curl the edges back up. So I use two strips, making sure that I apply the first strip. Then I go over the first strip and put on the second strip. Now, after this, I just put her under the dryer for a good 10-15 minutes. Hope you enjoyed the lock video of this style. Subscribe and you won't miss the other videos. Peace out. You guys stay humble and love each other. I'm out.